Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening somewhere. This is Mrs. O. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I would love you to be a member of my small community here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I appreciate it. And also to my subscribers. Thank you so much and welcome back. So, guys, today my family and I went to Lake Erie. This is one of our popular tourist spot here in Pennsylvania. So yes, guys, it was so beautiful day. Look what what kind of boat you want. Name it. We will get it for you. A joke. Oh gosh. So yes, guys, we had a great morning. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. You know what? Any below 70, that would be cold for me. I am a cold-blooded, guys. Who can relate? If I have a thyroid condition, so if you
Here we
have, you know what
are.
I
Beautiful
mean,
Saturday morning.
I
Good
can't
morning.
handle too
Look at that.
hot and I can't handle too cold. So if there is
Turn
in
around.
between, I am good. So here she is. Here I am, by the
Go.
way.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Showing
Ah,
around,
nalulula ako.
showing around
Oh
in
my
this
goodness.
area.
Here we are over here
We
enjoying our
visited
morning.
here the last time was
Ah,
7 years
pretty.
ago. So my
Look
kids
at that.
were so much younger back then. And to my surprise, so
Here we
much
are
developed
coming.
around here in this area. So, yep. So, and look at that. It was so beautiful morning. And we are here in this. I am pointing to this compass. So from here, it will show the distance of the state that closer to us. Here is New York City, Buffalo, if you can see the miles, the Toronto. Next is Detroit, Chicago. I never been in Chicago. Cincinnati also, I never been there. And last but not the least, so here we are here. This is the compass, guys. Pittsburgh. And this is Philadelphia over there. Yep. So yes, guys, we had a great time. We have to well, I am trying to get more of our family bonding before the school starts soon. I have high school 11th grade this year and my fresh college this year. So yeah, I I feel like empty nester already. So I have to prepare myself. Is there any preparation for that? So yes, guys, look at that. If you can see that looking island there, that is the Presqu'île. If I am right in French, that means almost island. So correct me if I'm wrong. So yep. So we've been there. We're always going on that area. If you can see that, I'm talking about that looking like island over there. So we are in the other side. So this is the amphitheater here. In summertime, they held a concerts in here, and there's a tent. So many tents. I never been here. I never attended a concert in here because I can't handle of so many people. So I am good when just us and not few, well, just few people in the morning. So that's the best time to come over in this area. So yes, guys, I can't get. Oh, here is my girl, and yep. And I hope you guys. Oh, here's the boat, and here she is. OMG, what you gonna do? Oh my God. Here she is. Oh my goodness. Ang lola ninyo. Your grandmama is trying to dance. I'm not really a dancer. I am trying. Who can relate? You know? And more over here. We are, at this time, we are heading to go back to the parking lot. And more over here, I want to show to you guys. So pretty. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a great day, everyone. Again, this is Mrs. O, and talk to you later. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. I appreciate it. Bye. Here we are in another park in Frontier Park. It's so pretty. I am trying to check more of park in our area to check their trail. I love to go trail, and to my surprise here, look at that, like a stream. So beautiful area, guys. So this is beautiful for hiking and walking exercise, and yep.